We're here today in Harlech in Wales to do the Meirion chair walk. It's a 5-mile walk around Harlech, starting just below the castle, which you can see there, and then we're going to head up around the town and then back down to the beach to finish our walk around the 5 chairs. Let's go. This is the second chair of our Meirion chair walk in Harlech today. They're all a different design. This one, as you can see, is a leaf design. It's absolutely gorgeous, but unfortunately it is starting to lose a few of its bits, but still nice.
We're heading towards the 3rd chair of the Harlech chair walk that are located in the upper part of the town. The next 2 after that are down at beach, so that's quite a nice way to end it, is to basically start the ones in the town and end up on the beach, because on a day like today the beach will be a lovely view, should be nice and sunny, and hopefully the blue sky stays for when we get down to the beach. So we're walking through the park currently, which is just next to the church, and we've ticked off 2 so far, haven't we?
We have.
And then we're on to the 3rd. These signs here direct you around the town to all of these chairs. Oh, and the rare sight of the chip shop open. In all the years of coming here, I've never seen that open. So it was worth capturing on film. And yeah, another sign. There's the castle, and over there is chair number 3 with its wooden bird on the top.
This is my favourite one of the chairs.
Why is that?
Because you've got the view over to the castle and the view over to the beach.
There you go, yeah. There's the beach, which is where our last 2 are.
And that means it's downhill from here.
and start our descent to the beach. Down, if I remember rightly, there is lots and lots and lots of steps. Just spotted a cave that we've never seen before on this walk.
That's it.
Is it just as long as that?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it. Excellent, but we found a cave that we didn't know existed. It's got some weird orange prints on it, strangely. But there's one at the back of the wall as well, isn't there? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Right at the back
BT.
corner. Cool. Be nice if it was like glow in the dark. So the actual signposted walk, when you get to the bottom of the steps from the third chair, it takes you back towards the beach via the small shop opposite the castle. But when we've done this walk, we actually prefer to turn left and you go kind of underneath the theatre, the old theatre and the old college sort of dormitory building. I'll show you in a second as we walk past them. But this path here takes you onto the beach, and then you get like a good half a mile stretch along the beach to walk back to the fourth chair, and then you find the fifth chair after that. But it's just a bit more of a scenic version of the walk because it adds a nice bit of beach into the mix as well. To cross the railway tracks. Stop, look, listen, beware of trains.
We are at the fourth of the Meirion chairs. We've just come from our walk along the beach. It's a bit of a cloudy afternoon, but still absolutely beautiful and quite busy today. So that's us heading back towards the end of our walk. We've got one more chair to go, so let's go. So here we are at the last of the 5 Meirion chairs. We've had a great walk up the hill that you can see behind me there. We've been up the world's steepest street near to the castle, across the top, back via the beach, and here we are just finishing off our day.